Once upon a time, in a cozy little kitchen, there lived an egg tray named Ella. Ella was no ordinary egg tray. She had dreams and aspirations far beyond holding eggs. Ella knew she had potential. She believed she could be something beautiful and creative, something that brought joy and wonder. But day after day she was filled with eggs, emptied and put back in the cupboard, her dreams tucked away with her. One sunny afternoon, the family living in the house decided to bake a cake. They took out the eggs, leaving Ella empty on the counter. As she sat there, she overheard a conversation that filled her with hope. "We should start recycling and upcycling more," said the mother. "There are so many creative things we can do with everyday items." Ella's heart, if egg trays had hearts, skipped a beat. Could this be her chance? That evening, when the family was fast asleep, Ella called a meeting with the other items in the kitchen. The spoons, forks, and even the spice jars gathered around, curious about what she had to say. "I want to be more than just an egg tray," Ella began. "I want to be something beautiful, something that brings joy. Will you help me?" The next day, the family woke up to a surprise. There on the kitchen counter was Ella, transformed into a stunning piece of art. With sections painted in vibrant colors and adorned with tiny decorations, Ella was no longer just an egg tray. She had become a beautiful, handcrafted jewelry organizer.